What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about setting up collaboration channels for process safety leaders. If you don't know me, my name is Joel Aponte, and I'm here with my co-founder, Felipe Rendon. Felipe, how are you doing today?
Great, Joel. How are you?
Awesome. So we're going to be talking about setting up collaboration channels and how we help operations managers, process safety leaders make traction and make sure that their teams and their staff and everybody that is moving forward with process safety is able to communicate. Many times what we've seen across different sites is some common struggles. Those common struggles are probably just having insufficient time to collaborate on issues that are affecting the process safety performance and risk of the site, of the plant, maybe just having lack of trust between the site and support teams. And a lot of times that's due to miscommunication or just kind of overwhelm of where the information is at. And then also about having unclear accountabilities. Those are the most common struggles that we see PSM site production leaders, safety advisors, and ops consultants, talk about when they're trying to improve and move forward the process safety performance in their sites. And so as part of a holistic program of process safety leadership, which is what we do at Safe Energy Ops, we believe that, setting up collaboration channels that are effective, is part of the journey. Now, Felipe, would you mind taking us through kind of overall the 3 steps that we usually recommend for sites to kind of go through to see about setting up their proper collaboration channels?
Sure. So step 1 is to set up a process safety collaboration task force. This task force should be made up of multidisciplinary members of your organization that come together on a regular basis to discuss process safety concerns and come up with solutions for those concerns. The team should be made up of key individuals throughout your organization, but it's very important, it's crucial that it has plenty of site representation. This means site members that can bring that on the ground support, perspective, information to make sure that the solutions that are created are effective. Now, these multidisciplinary team members coming together by nature is going to build trust between the site and the support teams. And that's what we're looking for in a task force like this, and strengthening collaboration channels that hopefully become habitual over time and allow that exchange of information to flow more readily. Step 2 is about optimizing communication methods between your task force team members and your site and support team members. What this is getting at is trying to avoid what often happens in communication exchange, where information gets lost in emails, in messages that are never read, and building on that collaboration by stating a preference for phone call and face-to-face interactions, direct interactions that allow information to be exchanged in the most efficient way possible, instead of having long emails that tend to get lost in the weeds. Also, training support teams to seek site input when developing solutions. This is critical to developing effective solutions. And in our experience, oftentimes, without placing blame on support teams, solutions are developed without enough site input, and there's not the buy-in or the effectiveness required for that solution to be sustainable. And finally, step 3 is about giving recognition on action completion. This is going to enhance the process task force team spirit by recognizing the progress they make, strengthening those collaboration channels, and allowing them to be solidified into the organization due to that reward feedback loop. You should also train the site to provide the feedback on the solution effectiveness. This is going to make sure that there's not preemptive recognition given, or recognition based on one side of the equation, being the support team side, for example. The site, it's critical that the site provides feedback on the solution effectiveness so that everyone can celebrate together, everyone recognizes the value of the action completed, and further trust is built between site and support teams.
Makes sense. Amazing. So again, these are the 3 basic steps that we see work to set up collaboration channels effectively for teams to collaborate. Improve And we want to invite you to continue the process safety leadership conversation with us by joining our Increase Your Process Safety Leadership Challenge. It is a challenge online, 100% free, where we not only discuss this step, but the other 9 steps and actually walk you through a gap assessment that you can actually implement in your site. It has downloadables that can help with the conversation and help you as a process safety leader improve your site's process safety leadership performance. So if you haven't yet, make sure you give us a like, a subscribe on the channel, and hopefully we can see you over into our community where we improve process safety leadership by helping you with our 9-step process. Until next one, see you guys on the next video. Stay safe.